Hello, well, as you can see my withdrawal as it has reflect in my account. So don't forget that I withdrew $63 and now it has reflect in my account. So it doesn't take time, at all. So you can see I have my $63 USDT deposit successful. You have deposited 63 USDT, you can see. So that is the best, that is how to go about it. IPC withdrawal is instant and you are going to get your money reflecting in your account, in your wallet, as soon as possible. You can see, don't forget that $3 will be deducted for the withdrawal fee. I have $66 in my USDT account, but now I have 63 as my withdrawal because $3 has been deducted from the account. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is dedicated to share with you online information, online methods on how to earn residual income, how to be financially free, secured, and settled. Alright, so if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and set it to all notification, and give this video the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Like and share to friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.